guys.
Paul and Quan TV.
So today, you know, we're bringing our first cooking video. We're going to show y'all how to cook a few things. 2 meals at once, literally. And today he's going to be cooking
Chicken Alfredo with shrimp and peppers.
period. I'm going to be cooking ribs wrapped with bacon and, you know, mashed potatoes and, you know, greens and shit. So,
Alright.
let's see how this
I
one
also
goes.
forgot homemade biscuit with garlic.
Okay.
So it'd be like a garlic bread type of thing.
So, you gotta crack the onions.
Oh yeah, I forgot about those.
And I gotta grab the potatoes.
Are you doing homemade mashed potatoes?
Uh-huh.
Alright, period.
So, let's just get into it.
Alright.
Let's show y'all what, you know, he have over here. And I'm gonna show y'all what I got over here. Go ahead.
Alright guys, so of course we're gonna be doing panini noodles. We're not gonna do the elongated or long noodles. This will be more faster. Also we have some deshelled shrimp. And so you have deshelled shrimp. I don't care if it has the tail on it. Any heavy whipping cream. We got I cut up chicken breast right here, onions. We got the cheese to go with it. And of course, we're gonna take 1 red pepper and 1 green pepper and cut that up. And also, here's our seasonings and our minced garlic. We have to have that minced garlic. And here's our biscuits. So I will be doing my own. So we will have Old Bay, steak seasoning, oregano, Italian, onion, parsley, garlic salt. We couldn't find no garlic pepper. I mean powder, bitch. Sorry. So we got garlic salt. Of course, pepper. We need some more pepper.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So and then of course we have the original seasoning. All right.
I'm screaming. Damn, it's cooking. Why you got it slanted?
Don't do me like that.
So,
You know I'm sure.
Y'all, I got some of these greens over here that I'm gonna be sauteing. I got the, you know, potatoes for mashed potatoes. Mashed potatoes. Anyways, I got, you know, bacon. I got the pork ribs. Got a few seasonings over here.
Let's see.
Garlic herb, roasted garlic herb, red pepper, lemon pepper. I'm going to be using some of the seasoning over here too. That
We
Naquan
forgot
has
about the olive oil, you guys. Make sure
Yeah.
you have olive oil so you won't have to use vegetable oil. It's too much on your body. So get with the olive or grapeseed.
Damn.
Damn.
So right now, I'm just going to explain what is going on, what we are doing behind the cameras. My baby is over here, you know, whipping up the chicken, getting that ready. You know, he got his butter, his olive oil, like he said before, that's what he'll be using. He'll be using some of the seasonings over here. I'll show that when he's ready. And I'm going to come over here and, you know, chop all these up, wrap the bacon around them, and get them on here. So everything will be ready. You know, that's what we're doing right now.
Onion powder. That's not good. You might want to add a little bit of olive oil. Ooh, this about to get good. What's that, baby? Show 'em.
Lemon pepper.
Oh, that lemon
Oh,
pepper.
yeah, let me show them after I season
That motherfucking lemon pepper.
it. Got them lemon pepper stuff.
That motherfucking lemon pepper. Okay. Come
You got
on.
that go back.
Period. You stop aside. You stop
Yeah,
aside.
this,
Yeah.
they be tripping.
Yeah, right there. Right there. Mm-hmm. Girl, they looking so gorgeous right now.
Mhm.
Yes, that motherfucking garlic and herb. And you know, it ain't gorgeous if it ain't got no color on it, you know. Make sure y'all put that color on that. Come on.
You know you gotta add a little spice to some ribs now.
Period.
You ain't eating ribs right if you ain't adding a little bit
Little
of spice.
spice. Hello.
What's in there?
That motherfucking onion powder.
Okay.
So I'm serious.
Mm.
Man.
Okay, once again, I'm explaining what's going on. So, right now, you know, the ribs are in the oven. The potatoes are on the stove. The noodles are done. The chicken is done. Look at how beautiful the chicken looks. But yeah, the chicken is done. And
Next up is the shrimp for them.
next up is the shrimp. Oh, and with the ribs, I had a stuck moment. My boyfriend put brown sugar, apple juice, and butter, and melted the butter inside the apple juice and stuff, and mixed it up and put it on the ribs.
So it keeps the ribs moist inside, and also it gives a nice texture on top. If you're not Southern, you would know it.
But,
Ooh,
what you was showing?
shit.
Huh? The butter?
No, I was looking for the butter.
Oh, yeah, it's right there. I already showed them. But, shrimp right there, butter. He gotta cut those up. This is gotta go in the oven soon. So yeah, everything is, slowly coming along. And this is where we at now.
Make sure that doesn't stick.
But yeah, we'll be back.
To be seasoning the peppers, the shrimp, and onion that's inside of the skillet right here. So we're gonna put our olive oil. Make sure y'all get it. You don't want your shit to be all dry. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna be doing some lemon pepper. Not too much because you don't want to overpower it, but some lemon in it. Some garlic and herb. Hold on, see. That's how you do it. Then you want to add that. There we go. Okay, you want to add a little bit of onion powder. You don't need a lot because you already got onions in there. Add a little bit. There we go. And then you want to add your Old Bay seasoning.
Obesity.
Yeah. It's gonna give you obesity. Yes, if you keep eating my shit, you're gonna get obese. Period. And now, the most important thing, you want to add your mixed garlic right here. So, anyways, we ain't even got no spoon, so we're just gonna drizzle a couple. Ooh!
Ooh, back that up. Wait a minute. Back that up. You say you ain't need a spoon, bitch.
So, anyways, there we go. That's a good amount.
Yeah, it's not bad.
It's not bad.
Because it's going in the noodles.
It's going in the noodles. And then all you want to do is just mix that up real good. You see how colorful that is? Like, you got your pink, you got the red, you got the green, and the white. Pretty. It's giving Italian.
Oh, girl, bye.
Alright, y'all. So, we're going to start on the Alfredo sauce. Since our big ass pot of fucking, Alfredo shit. Like, we feeding a whole fucking family, which we not. But, okay, let's get it. And then we got the mashed potatoes that my boyfriend done mixed up. And the sauteed greens. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Hurry. And then we got the motherfucking ribs in the oven. You know. Alright, come on, girls. Start off with your olive oil. Make sure you get that right there. And then you want to add your butter. Add that butter. Right there.
That what?
That butter. And now, you see that heavy whipping cream? Go ahead and pour that in there. Pour that shit in there. Pour that shit in there. Hurry. Every last drop. There you go. And now, hold on, Jack. Okay, now since we all got the heavy whipping cream and the oils and the butter that's in there, now you want to just stir that up. Make sure that shit's good. You know what I'm saying? You want to make sure this shit gets nice and thick. So you want to put it on a little bit of high. Now it's time for the seasonings. So we're going to use some black pepper. You see the hand motion?
It's not good enough.
Okay. Add some parsley.
Put them flakes in there.
Italian. Oregano. Steak seasoning. There we go. Now all bay. Now you want to get your mixed garlic again. This time we got a spoon, girl. And then you also want to add the juice in there too. Alright, okay. Now you just want to mix that all together. Because you want the flavors to play around in it. Like how your kids be at the playground. So, well, that's all you want to do for right now. Let that be in there. And the boy, be able to do it.
Mm-mm. Go, nigga.
Oh. Remember guys, I told y'all gotta wait for this sauce to get a little bit thick. Okay, so you want to add your more seasonings in there just in case if it doesn't taste like anything. Then you want to grab some Mexican shredded cheese. We're going to add some in there. That's enough. And then you want to add your mild cheddar. Ooh, cheddar. Why do they come out so greasy? I don't know.
That's because they done melted. Yeah, he had a little boo-boo on the side, but
Ain't no motherfucking boo-boo.
it is a boo-boo.
Alright. And that's it. And you want to wait until this boils and thickens. That's it. Damn. You all left in my grill like that?
So we are officially done making the food. I'm gonna show y'all, personally from the front back camera what it looked like. And look at this shit. Right, baby?
Oh yeah, we better tear this shit up.
Do look at this shit. That concludes the end. That concludes the end of this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Tell me how we did with cooking this meal. Comment if y'all would eat it. We about to dig in. So see y'all later in the next video.
And one more thing, make sure y'all comment below what y'all want us to cook. And also desserts, anything, drinks. Let's get into it.
Okay. See y'all next time. Oh, I got shit in my eye.